Urban survival reality show Hunted Australia found itself in the hot seat this week after it was found the show didn't get the right permits to film in Melbourne's train system. Per the Herald Sun, the show's covert camera operators followed a couple of contestants as they headed into Flinders St Station and bought Myki passes in the first 15 minutes of the premiere episode. The hidden cameras also followed other groups on station platforms and inside trains throughout the series. A spokesperson for Metro Trains told the Herald Sun it is reviewing its permit process and said that no CCTV from the network was released to the production company behind Hunted. The Hunted production company did not apply for a permit prior to filming on Metro's network, the spokesperson said. Victorian Public Transport Minister Ben Carroll told the Herald Sun the Victorian government was taking appropriate action to make sure something like this doesn't happen again. Image, Instagram @HuntedOut The Simpsons Fox.